A high-level meeting held yesterday in Senapati district led by Deputy Chief Minister focusing on de-escalation and peace building. A fresh spurt of violence was reported early this morning involving casualties in Kangpokpi district. 4 Naga civilians were killed, 1 injured and another reported missing after suspected Kuki armed groups allegedly attacked Naga civilians along Imphal Tamenglong Road under Kangpokpi police station this morning. As per information received by SKTV News, the incident occurred around 8:30 a.m. between Makui Ashang and Thanamba Naga. According to sources, all 4 victims were shot at point-blank range and killed on the spot during the attack. As per sources, those killed have been identified as Tatsongbo Ringkangmai, founder and principal of Right Path School in Tikulan, Mariak Dibao Wijunamai, executive member of Makui Youth Club, Zapo MK, student leader Tonglang Akutpa, and Anil Wijunamai, executive member of Makui Youth Club. Gai Kamang Ringkang Mai sustained injuries in the attack, while Wisaubo Sarainamai, chairman of Chawangkining Village Authority, remains missing. It may be mentioned that a high-level security meeting was convened yesterday in Senapati to assess the prevailing law and order situation and deliberate on strategies to restore normalcy across Manipur. The meeting was led by Deputy Chief Minister Losidiko, MLA T. Robindro, and United Naga Council UNC President NG Lorho, alongside senior personnel of CRPF, Assam Rifles, and Senapati District Police. The high-profile deliberations also drew public and political attention due to the notable absence of Manipur Home Minister Govindas Konthojam, prompting questions regarding administrative coordination. In a separate political development, a delegation led by BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary P. Permanand held an organizational meeting with party workers of BJP Saitu Mandal to assess grassroots coordination.